Alright everybody, so welcome back, and in today's episode we are going to add in a little CSS. Last time we did links and images and making the images links, so today we're just going to do a little image mapping. It's taking one whole image and making specific spots on it links to wherever you want to go. And we'll add some CSS into it for background and maybe a little bit of audio, just make it sound good. Alrighty, so let's get started. Alright everybody, so here we go, time to start up. Obviously, first we have to open up Atom. Don't need these welcome guides or the welcome page. We obviously need a new file. Take the plain text here in the corner, HTML, go, because sometimes the auto detect does not work. And remember that we have Emmet installed. All we have to do is type HTML, then press tab, and everything pops up. We'll just call this one map. And since we will be adding a CSS page to it, we have to link those together. So we'll type link, and it's going to be a style sheet. href is style because that's going to be the name of the CSS page. Usually everybody calls it style. And then the type is text /CSS. Alright, so let's go ahead and save this one. And I have this in the folder on the desktop, and we do map.html, and always put HTML or HTM since it's a web design file. If it's in JavaScript or C#, you always put dot and then whatever it is that you're using. Alright, save it there. Now that we have linked our CSS, we obviously need to create one. So new file, plain text, CSS, and this one we'll just go file, save as, style.css, because that is the name that it was linked to, is style, save. And now we have our own CSS file right here. Now last time we did links and making images links. Today we'll do mapping, and it's taking different sections of a single image and making those links. So inside the body we got to create our map, and always put here the name of it equals, and we'll just call this one fam. Alright, and now we have to create all the areas that we want inside the map. So area, the shape, there's multiple different shapes you can do. I always go with circle if I can spell it. And the coordinates, this is where you're going to be able to click. So to find the coordinates, real simple, images, and here's the image we're using. We'll do open with, and then do paint, and we'll take our cursor, find the location we want, and down here in the corner it is going to have the coordinates. So we'll just go to the middle here, and it's 127,84. So it's 127,84. And the last one here is the pixels, how wide or how big the circle is going to be. And that is, let's just go with 50. Alright, the reference to where it's going to go, let's just make this one Google. And the alt is me, because that is me. And since we're going to have more than one spot to click on, We'll do another area, the shape, circle, the coordinates, and this one is not going to be the same coordinates, it'll be different, obviously. We'll go here, in the middle of the face here, and this one is 327, 76, so 327, 76, 50 pixels wide, and this one will take us to Yahoo. Is him, because that's not me, that's him. Alright, now outside the map tag, since we're done with the map, we'll just do a div. Don't need this here. The div is just making it a certain spot, just on the image itself. And we'll go, so type in the img for the image. The source is where it's going to be located. And since it's in files, images, and then map, we have to do images, \map, / the name of the picture, .jpg, because it's a JPEG file, not PNG, and it does matter what you type, you can't just put .jpeg every time. The alt is going to be 2, because there's 2 of us, and since we're doing a map, you have to put in use map equals, and then you'll do hashtag, and whatever the name of the map is, which is fam, F-A-M, hashtag fam, and we'll control save this. Alright, let's go here, and let's run the map and see what all it can do. And after it loads sometime tomorrow, here, see, you can click here, takes to Google, click here, takes to Yahoo. Not too much of it, just takes practice. And now let's add some style to it. For our style, since we're working on the body part, we'll do body. And let's do a background color. So background color, and make it yellow. Control save, go back to the image, refresh, and there we go, background's yellow. And let's black. Control save, refresh, now it's black, nothing to it. Alright, so let's go back to Atom. And most people don't like just doing a simple color, they like doing images more. So we'll do background image. And since it's an image, you have to put in URL, and then where the image is located, so images, \map, /beach.jpg, because this is a picture of a beach. Now, control save, go here, refresh. Oh no, the image is too big, and it looks terrible, alright? This is not the image that you selected, so come back here, and now we have to do the background size, and cover, so it's just going to cover this screen. It won't be any bigger or any smaller. Right. Control save, and let's head back here, refresh, and there is the actual picture that you really wanted. So boom, perfect. Alright, now how about let's beef it up a little bit and add some audio. Alright, so back inside the body, we'll do audio. The source of the audio, this is going to be different. This is not the same thing. This, we have to have the controls, because you want to be able to press pause and play autoplay, and autoplay. Oh, forgot the equals. So now whenever the page loads, it's automatically going to play the song. You can also put true or false. And now for the audio, what's the audio is the source, and this one is called paradise.mp3, and MP3s are the best in my opinion because they sound better. And the type is obviously not video, it's audio, and MPEG. So Control S and save it. Let's go back here, refresh the page, and it is playing the song. You can tell right here, there it is. You pause it, play it.
And died in paradise.
Real simple stuff. And that actually is Spencer singing that song. And really, that is all for today's episode. Real simple stuff. We can also practice locating the image, making it in the center, the left, or the right. But by default, it'll always be on the left side. But once we get further on in creating the own website itself, we will be locating images through the style, through the CSS font. Alright, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time for the next episode of the HTML and CSS.